Imagine looking up at the night sky. Every tiny point of light you see, every star, every shimmer is just a drop in an ocean. But behind those stars, beyond the darkness, hiding in the depths of space, are trillions of entire galaxies. Today, we're answering one of the biggest questions in astronomy. How many galaxies fill our universe? And how do we even begin to count them? How galaxies were first counted. Most of human history, people thought the Milky Way was the whole universe. That changed in 1924, when Edwin Hubble discovered that spiral nebulae were actually other galaxies. Fast forward to the 1990s. NASA points the Hubble Space Telescope at a tiny, empty patch of sky, a region no bigger than a grain of sand held at arm's length. The result? 10,000 galaxies packed into that tiny dot. This image, the Hubble Deep Field, changed everything. Astronomers estimated 100 to 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. But that number didn't last long. The new galaxy count, trillions. In 2016, improved computer models and deeper sky surveys revealed something stunning. The universe might contain up to 2 trillion galaxies. Not millions, not billions, but 2 trillion. Most of them are small, faint dwarf galaxies, too dim for even Hubble to see. And with the James Webb Space Telescope looking back further than ever, this number may still be an underestimate. How galaxies form. Galaxies didn't appear fully formed. They began as tiny clouds of hydrogen and dark matter shortly after the Big Bang. Here's the process. Dark matter clumps first, creating invisible gravity wells. Gas falls into these wells. Gas cools and forms stars. Stars cluster into the first proto-galaxies. These early galaxies collide and merge to form bigger, more complex structures. Every galaxy today, including our own, is the result of billions of years of mergers and growth. The Milky Way is basically a cosmic Frankenstein. What's inside a galaxy? A typical galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, giant molecular clouds where new stars are born, nebulae, the colorful remains of exploded stars, massive black holes, often at the center, dark matter, making up 80 to 90% of the galaxy's mass, star clusters, gas clouds, dust lanes, and more. If you flew through a galaxy, you'd see everything from star nurseries to the skeletons of ancient suns. Galaxies are entire cosmic ecosystems. Dark matter, the invisible galaxy. Here's something wild. Most of every galaxy is invisible. Astronomers discovered that stars orbit way too fast for the visible mass to hold them together. They should fly apart. The solution? Dark matter halos, huge, spherical clouds of invisible matter surrounding galaxies. These halos stretch way beyond the visible galaxy, provide the gravity that holds everything together, make galaxies possible at all. Without dark matter, galaxies would never form. We wouldn't exist. Collisions. When galaxies meet. Galaxies aren't static. They move, collide, merge, and reshape each other. Every collision creates new stars, triggers enormous starbursts, warps spiral arms can form entirely new galaxies, and eventually, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. In about 4 to 5 billion years, the two will merge into a giant elliptical galaxy, Milkdromeda. Galactic collisions sound violent, but because stars are so far apart, almost none of them actually hit each other. It's more like two clouds passing through each other. Extreme galaxies. Let's explore some extremes of the universe. Smallest galaxies. Dwarf spheroidals. Some contain only a few thousand stars, tiny islands of light. Largest galaxies. Giant ellipticals. These monsters can contain 10 trillion stars and span millions of light years. Most active starburst galaxies. They form stars hundreds of times faster than the Milky Way. Oldest galaxies seen by the JWST, some formed just 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang. Each extreme galaxy tells a story about how the universe evolved. The future of galaxies. In the far future, star formation will slow, galaxies will drift apart, new stars will stop forming, the night sky will fade. Trillions of years from now, the universe will be a quiet place filled with dim, red dwarf stars and fading remnants of galaxies. But for now, the universe is bursting with energy, full of galaxies still growing, colliding, and shining. So, how many galaxies populate our universe? The truth is, we still don't know. Our best estimate is up to 2 trillion, but telescopes keep showing us more than we ever imagined. Every time we look deeper, every time we stare into the darkness, we find new galaxies staring back. And somewhere, in one of those trillions of galaxies, there may be someone asking the same question. If this journey through space inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me for more stories from the universe. Your next cosmic adventure begins soon.